here for grade 7 math. So usually you can log into aplusstudents.com, but the website is down with some technical issues. So let's see when we can work on the website, right? Until the website is live, we can cover any lesson for which you need help. I will wait for the next 5 minutes if some of you need help with a specific lesson. Otherwise, we'll start the lesson. I think the one we did in the last session. I think in the last session we did the number sequences. Then we'll do some examples with the lesson. So if you have any question related to grade 7 math, whatever topic it is, you can just write down the lesson name in the chat box. I will start covering the lesson. Otherwise, we'll start the lesson that we did in the last session. We'll do the examples for the lesson. Okay, so do we have any lesson to cover? Do you have any question from the lesson for which you need help? Okay, let me just take a check and then we'll start doing this examples from the lesson we did earlier this week, right? Okay, so earlier this week we have covered the lesson that is number sequences. So now we're going to do some of the examples from the lesson that is number sequences, right? Okay, let me just recall the lessons we have covered this week, right? Mm, just 1 minute. Okay, the first thing we have done is we have to identify the arithmetic and geometric sequences, right? For example, we are given a sequence that is 97, 84, 68, and 49. We have to identify if the sequence is arithmetic or geometric. How do we understand? We have to see, the first thing we have to see the difference, right? 84 minus 97 is 84 minus 97, that is negative 13. Then 68 minus 84, that is negative 16. Then 49 minus 68, that is negative 19. See, their difference is not common, right? That means that is not arithmetic sequence. Okay, let's just check if you can divide them. Do they have a common ratio? Let's just see. The next one is 97, the same sequence, right? 68, 49. Just divide and see if they have the common difference. So for the arithmetic sequence, there is a constant difference between the consecutive terms. That means you can always get from one term to the next term by adding or subtracting the same number, right? That's why I said that is not arithmetic. You can see here the difference is not same, right? And for the geometric sequence, there is a constant multiplier between consecutive terms. This means you can always get from one term to the next by dividing by the same number. So let's just see if do they have the common multiplier. Let's just divide, right? 84 divided by 97, then 68 divided by 84, and then 49 divided by 68. Let's just see if they have the common ratio. Let's see if we have. Let me just divide, right? 84 divided by 97, that is 0.86. Then 68 divided by 84, that is 0.80. Then 49 divided by 68, that is 0.72. No, their difference is also not common. That means this is also neither arithmetic nor geometric. Neither, right? So this sequence is neither arithmetic and nor geometric. Got it? Also, one more thing, if they have the same common difference and the same terms, that means that is the both arithmetic and geometric sequences, right? Let's just start with another example. For example, we have the numbers there that they are 240, 240, 240, and 240. You have to see if that is the arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, or both, or neither. So how do we see? That is both. I just said if they have the same numbers are repeating again and again, that means that is the both arithmetic or and geometric sequence, right? Because the same number is repeating again and again. So yes, that is both arithmetic and geometric sequence. So the numbers are exactly same. That means that is both arithmetic and geometric sequence. How, why both? because if you find a common difference between them, that is exactly same. 1 0, 240 minus 240 0, 240 minus 240 0, so they have a common difference 0. If you divide them, they have again the common multiplier, that is 1. So that's why that is both arithmetic or and geometric, right? Okay, let's just do another example. Okay, the other one is 115, 185, and 70. You have to see if this sequence is arithmetic, geometric, or both, right? So let's just see. Let's just find a common difference, right? Divide the second term from the first one. 100 minus 115 is negative 15. Then 85 minus 100 is negative 15. Then 70 minus 85 is negative 15. So they have the same common difference, right? That means yes, that is the arithmetic sequence. The correct option is arithmetic, right? So the correct option is arithmetic sequence. So the correct option is arithmetic sequence it is, right? Okay. Let's just do another example. Okay, we are given a sequence. We have to find the missing number, right? That is 60, 56, 52, 48, the missing number, and 40. You have to find the missing number, right? How do we find? The first thing is we have to find a pattern. We need to see how the sequence is going. Then we can find the missing number, right? Okay, so let's just see how the pattern is going. 56 minus 60 is negative 4. 52 minus 6 is negative 4. 48 minus 52 is negative 4. You have to find the missing one. That means you can find the next one just by subtracting 4 from the given number, right? So just subtract 4 out of 48. 48 minus 4 is 44. So the missing one is 44, right? correct option is 44. The missing number is 44, right? Okay, let's just do another example. Okay, the next one is the next example is 78, the missing number 82, 84, and 86. You have to find the missing number. How do we find the missing number? The pattern is increasing by 2, right? 82 plus 2 is 84, 84 plus 2 is 86. So here you need to add 2. So 78 plus 2 is 80. So the missing number is 80, right? The missing number is 80. Okay, let's just do another example. Okay, the next one is that is 70, the missing number 52, 43, and 34. So how do you find the missing number? let's just find the pattern, how the pattern is, like how the sequence is going, right? 43 minus 52 is negative 9. That means if you add 9 to 52, you make 43. And 40, if you subtract 9 from 43, you will make 40. If you subtract 9 from 52, you will make 43. And the same way, 34 minus 43 is also 9. So if you subtract 9 from 34, 9 from 43, you will get 34. That means you need to take away 9 from 72. So the correct option is 79. 70 minus 9 is 61. The missing number is 61, right? Okay. Okay, let's just do another example. Isn't it too difficult without a plus? Okay, the next one is 1, 4, 16, 64, 256, and the missing number you have to find. How do you find? So let's just understand how the pattern is going, right? 1 times 4 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is 64, 64 times 4 is 256. So that is the geometric sequence, right? Because the pattern is growing by a constant multiply. So for the next one, you have to do 256 times 4. That is 4 times 6 is 24, 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 2 is 8, and 10. That is 1024. So that means the missing number is 1024. Okay, let's just do another example. Okay, the next one is 1, 2, the missing number 8, 16, and 32. So which number is missing? That is again the geometric sequence, right? Because the pattern is growing by a constant multiplier. 1 times 2 is 2, 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 30. So there you need to multiply by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. The missing number is 4, right? So the correct option is 4 because the pattern is growing by a constant multiplier. So that is 4, right? That is the geometric sequence. So the missing number is 4. Okay, let's do another example. So the next example is 1, 1, 2, 4, 7. You have to find the missing number. How do we find the missing number? So let's see how the pattern is going, right? 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2, and 7 minus 4 is 3. That means you need to, the number you are going to add is going by 1 every time. The next one you have to add is 7 plus 4, that would be 11. So the missing number is 11. Okay, the next example is next one is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and the missing number. So which number is missing? The missing number is 36, because all these numbers are the squares of, like, the 1 is the square of 1, 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3, 16 is the square of 4, 25 is the square of 5, so 36 is the square of 6. So the missing number is 6, right? Okay, let's just do another example. The other example is, that is 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6. The missing number 18, 27, and 38. Which number is missing? 10 or 11? Here is the missing number, right? Between 6 and 18. So which number is missing? correct option is 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 18 plus 9 is 27, and 27 plus 11 is 38, right? But I think that would be 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. For the next one, you have to add 5, right? Because the pattern is growing by every time the number you have to add is growing by 2, right? So that would be 11. The basic number is 11. And I think that's all for today. I'm tired of writing examples like this. So if you have any questions either from the lesson we are covering today, or either you have from your homework or whatever, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions. If you have any, you can please ask questions. Any questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.